Dear children, you are precious. Like stars are to the sky, so are the children to our world. I am very glad to meet you, my dear children, through this video and wish you personally to all my auxiliaries Dharmabari. Today the whole world is living and breathing the great epidemic, and we have to face this pandemic with much hope and courage to fight against this virus and find meaning in our lives. Surely God will show the way and He will affirm our effort to go ahead with more enthusiasm of I can do more and even more in this critical and crucial moment too. Time changes everything except something within us which is always surprised by change. So, my dear children, live the present moment full and even more meaningful. Dear children, you are precious and you are highly valuable in the eyes of God. Always know that you are more than enough. You are precious and worth being adored and treasured. You hold very important piece of the puzzle. Without you, the world is incomplete. That's how you are precious. Yes, you are more precious. When you get up in the morning, think of the precious privilege to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. A daughter is one of the most beautiful gifts this world has to give. You are somebody worth notable. So don't mess up with trashes. Love the life you live the life you love. Girl child is actually a strong pillar of the society, and without them humanity can't be even imagined. For me, to love is to live. I feel this. I say it more than ever now. All things prove it to me. I recognize that never again can any taste, any absorption of mine, any passion exist for me, but that you know of, which fills not only my heart, but my whole brain. I would like my children to so feel. Always remember, you are braver than you behave, stronger than you think, and you loved more than you know. You are the only pride of your family and your parents. A parent's love for their daughter has no boundaries. Appreciate what they did for you because they probably gave everything to you. Never complain about what your parents couldn't give you. It was probably all they had. Mothers consider their daughters are the biggest creation and the source of light in their lives. Let us walk in the light of the world. Daughters are the most valued gift given by God. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Imagine there is a bank account that credits every account each morning with $86,400. It carries over no balance from day to day. Every evening, the bank deletes whatever part of the balance you fail to use during the day. What would you do? Draw out every cent? Of course, each of us has such a bank, its name, a time. Every morning, it credits you 86,400 seconds. Every night, it writes off at a loss whatever of this you fail to invest to a good purpose. It carries over no balance. It allows no overdrafts. Each day it opens new accounts for you. Each night it burns the remains of the day. If you fail to use the day's deposit, it lost yours. This, as we ever knew, there is no drawing against tomorrow. You must live in the present on today's deposit. Invest it so as to get from it the utmost health, wealth, and treasure. The clock is running. Make the most of today. Make the most of the time you have because you can never get it back. My dear children of Auxilians, time is the most valuable and precious thing in life. I think you have heard this many times, but it's worth of recollecting no matter how many times. Think about it, except the time you can recover anything, either it is money or fame. But once you lost the time, it will never ever come back to you. So make use of this time for a better living and be productive by having a good time management strategy. The day you respect the time, you are about to become successful in your life. My beloved children, you are called to shine in the world of wonder. Auxilium School is waiting for your arrival. The empty spaces of the classrooms and the playgrounds always reminds us your vibrant presence and your sparkling eyes which pierce through the heart of all the teachers to wait eagerly for your arrival, to make the minds to resound God's goodness to all for the health and protection. May you be filled with all the blessings and wisdom of God always and shine in the orbit of Auxilium Galaxy. Let's all help to nurture today for the brighter tomorrow of our nation. Have a good day. God bless you.